guys, ngayiphana ingane guys, asambeni so installer siphinde sende ne-makeup njengoba nade ukuthi i-birthday month yami, so ngifuna kokwenza i-photoshoot lana ke bese bangifaka leli bhandi leli buhlungu, le bhandi leli guys libuhlungu la bese bangenda ama-curls. So i-photoshoot is a surprise by someone, yeah, thanda zindaba. Alright, la bese ngibhema i-vapor yami na i-makeup artist yami bese yangicala ke ngema-brows ami. Look at the edges guys, look at the edges. Ungayiphana ingane. Guys, I have partnered with EasyBets. All you have to do is register using the link on my bio. Use code Maki to get 50 Rand plus 25 spins. Use code Maki to get your rewards. Love you guys.